Welcome to kusum.net. This is window forms logic programming, and today you will learn how to get checklist box item in list box. Okay, or you can transfer the checklist box items inside of another checklist box or another list box. Okay, before watching this video, if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch get list box items in window form video so that you can continue with that and you can understand well. So let's start with Visual Studio. This is my form 2 I have created, and I have set in program.cs the form 2. So whenever run the program, it will run the form 2. Okay, so remove this all things first, whatever I have created here. Okay, let's go to design. First I will drag and drop the checklist box. Okay, this is my checklist box. Inside of that I will add some items. Okay, now I will create two text boxes and two buttons. So drag and drop two list boxes, two buttons, right? So I will put it here, second one is here, and put the button here, one here. I want to add the items inside of this list box 1. Okay, and I want to add the index of the item checklist box items inside of this list box 2. Okay, so give the name for this button, get item, btn get item. Okay, and for this get index, so btn get index, and here give the name get index of an item, right? So now we will just coding on this get item button. So I will first clear the list box 1. So where you want to transfer the names of the checklist box item, so list box 1 dot items dot clear. Okay, so first it will clear the box whenever you add the items. Okay, and now for each string s in checklist box, the name of that checklist box 1 dot items. So from here I want to add the names of checked items inside of the list box 1. So list box 1 dot add dot items dot add, here you will add s. Okay, let's see whatever. So run the program and check it. Now I am checking apple, grapes, pineapple. Okay, on click on get item, I am receiving the full items here. not checked items. So there is some mistake. Let's see. So here checkbox checklist box 1 dot checked items, not items, checked items. Okay, so only the checked items will be there. So let's click on orange. And banana. Click on get item. Orange and banana is here. Now on click on get index, I want to get the index of this orange and banana. Okay, so let's write the code for it. Okay, double click on get index, and here first I will clear the list box this. So list box 2 is the name of that. List box 2 dot items dot clear. Okay, and for integer I equal to 0 and I is less than checklist box 1 dot checked indices. Okay, dot count and I plus plus. Okay, for that I want to receive indexes. So list box 2 dot add dot items dot add checked indices okay, checklist box 1 dot checked indices of I, right? So that I will get the index of checklist items. Let's run the program and check it. So orange, grapes or pineapple, right? Orange, banana, so 1 2 and 5, right? 1 2 4. Okay, 0 start. 1 2 3 4. 4 number is pineapple, right? So you have get the indexes. Okay, this way you can transfer your checklist items to your list box or indexes to your list box. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it, like it. Thank you. Have a great day. Meet you in the next lecture.